In psychology, we talk about self efficacy, the belief that you have the power to influence your own life. When the world feels chaotic, work stress, global news, family drama, your brain feels helpless. When you organize a junk drawer, you are creating a micro win. Your brain's reward center, the nucleus accumbens, releases dopamine. It's not just because the drawer is clean, it's because you proved to yourself that you can create order out of chaos. Your brain is a processing machine. Every object in your field of vision is a data point that your visual cortex has to identify and track. If your room is messy, your brain is like a computer with 50 browser tabs open at once. Studies show that people in cluttered environments have higher levels of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Clutter signals to your brain that the job isn't done, keeping you in a state of low-level fight or flight. Decluttering is literally a way to turn down the physiological volume of your home so your nervous system can relax. Every object you own comes with a mental price tag. This is known as cognitive load. By the time you get through a cluttered morning, you've used up your brain's decision energy before you even get to work. People who love to declutter are unconsciously protecting their mental energy. They simplify their space so they can save their thinking power for things that actually matter. This is the most emotional part of the psychology. In psychology, we have a current self and an aspirational self, the person we wish we were. Often we keep clutter because it represents a version of us we haven't given up on. The yoga mat for the person who doesn't exercise, or the business books for the career we didn't start. Holding on to these items creates a guilt gap. When you finally donate that item, you're practicing self acceptance. You're telling your brain, I am enough as I am right now. I don't need these props to be valid. You aren't losing an object, you are gaining freedom from the person you should have been. Finally, there is environmental mirroring. Our internal state often reflects our external world. This is why we feel the urge to purge after a breakup or at the start of a new year. An empty shelf is a tabula rasa, a clean slate. In your brain, it represents potential. It signals that the past is over and there is now physical and mental room for something new to grow. So, the next time you feel that sudden urge to clear off your desk or empty a closet, don't ignore it. Your brain isn't just tidying up, it's trying to find its way back to peace. You aren't losing your things, you're gaining your focus back. If you're currently in the middle of a purge, or if this video just gave you the spark to start one, leave a comment. I'd love to know what you're letting go of today to make room for your future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the quiet mind, hit that subscribe button. We're building a community of people who choose depth over noise. I'm the Simple Nerd, and I'll see you in the next one.